Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ciara. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys the meal plan that I came up with for this week, and then I'm also going to show you guys the grocery haul that I got of the things that I needed in order to make the meal plan that I have for this week. So there are things at home that I already have and do not need. But there's things that go along with this meal plan that I needed in order to basically make the food for this week. So I'm going to show you guys how I made my meal plan, and then I'm going to show you guys my grocery haul.
Wake me from this dream I've been in. I need to get in closer to you. I swear you might exceed.
So underneath the note section, I did put an extra day's worth of a meal for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, only due to the fact that there are times where I forget to thaw things out. And yes, I'm here during the summer, but it might not cross my mind to thaw the meat out for that day. So I'm just substituting something just in case I can't thaw something out, or in case I forget, there might be something I might be able to get to quicker. So that day is just for extra meals for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. When I am done with these meals, I can easily wipe them off because this is a dry erase marker and a dry erase board. So that'll make it easy to know what I've already used and what I have not used, but as well as to show what else it is in the house that I can cook with and make.
Alright, so now that you guys have seen the way that I created my meal plan, I'm on my way over to the Kroger to go get a few of the items. So here's the list of things that I need at Kroger. Alright, so here are some of the things that I need from the grocery store today: rolled oats, salad mix, pizza crust, olive oil, eggs, milk, sausage gravy ×2, New Orleans style brats, bread ×2, bacon, lettuce shredded ×2, a tomato, cheese, and Kobe Jack and cheddar, yogurt, vanilla, I need cream cheese, hot sauce, hamburger meat, and tomato. I also need hot dog buns. Okay guys, so I'm back in the car from Kroger, grabbed a couple things. Y'all, when I say that I was underneath that 70, amen. Because there was already things that I had at home that I just went ahead and made sure, like, okay, do I have the rest of the material to go with this meal for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, whatever. So I had already had a bunch of snacks already because the kids had just started summer break, and I went ahead and picked them out a couple different snacks. And so I think that I stayed under 70. So my total at first was right here, and then by the time I put in my Kroger number and all of my e-coupons came off, and all the other stuff came off as well for the for the weekly prices and stuff like that, it brought it down to this amount. So, whoop, whoop. But yeah, I'm almost home. I'm going to show you guys my grocery haul of what I did get, because I want to show you guys what I got so that I can make my meal plan, and just so you guys can see.
So I ended up getting 2 of the white hot dog buns, 2 of the cartons of eggs, which were both completely free. I ended up getting 2 bags of the salad mix. I got Light and Fit Greek yogurt, vanilla, a pizza crust, as well as the New Orleans styled sausages, and then bacon. And like I said, the eggs were completely free. I got some white wine vinegar, and then I got some hot sauce, as well as some extra virgin olive oil. And I also got some milk, 2% that is, and then I got 2 bags of shredded lettuce. One is for tacos and the other one is for the BLT roll-ups. There's my second bag of salad. And I got 2 tomatoes, a red onion, mild cheddar and Kobe Jack cheese, some basil, and then I also got 2 boxes of the cream cheese, and then I got the quick oats. This is going to be used for the oatmeal overnight oats, as well as some hamburger meat and 2 things of bread.
So thanks guys so much for joining me on my $70 grocery haul and budget plan video. Be sure to check out the playlist linked in the description box down below, and let them know the Sierra sent you, and let me know what you think about my under $70 grocery haul and meal plan.